right now this is the goal, so like this is what we need to get.
Yeah.
And then if in 3 years we're like, this is too quiet for us, then we figure something else out.
Bruce.
Brucey! Good morning. I love you. Good morning. Oh, it's my last morning with him.
Daddy says no. And Daddy says no, Bruce.
JT, you're gonna be painted as the mean one on the vlog. You notice that Bruce is doing circles instead of wags? There's the circle. This is how Bruce apologizes.
Oh, good morning! Hey vlog, if you guys don't know, this is Bruce's overly controlling owner, JT.
How are you?
Say good morning, JT.
Morning, vlog.
This is Bruce's really reasonable, non-over-controlling mom.
Hi, Mom. Hi. AKA my sis. Do we look alike? What do you guys think?
Okay.
Blonde to my brunette. Eamon, don't. He's gonna fart. He's gonna fart. Move, move, move. Honestly, sleeping with Eamon is like just inhaling fart all night long. It's really special. JT, because he gets up really early and before anyone else, puts on a nice pot of coffee. And you guys know, Eamon and I don't really drink coffee,
But at the cottage,
here we are drinking
we gotta
coffee.
drink coffee.
Cheers.
Come on, Bruce.
Mediocre McDonald's coffee. Delicious.
Looks like there was a bit of a slumber party here last night. But here's the real culprit. This game right here. I'm wondering if anyone has ever played Masterpiece. It's a classic.
We've been playing it, we realized, since I was in grade 6, so about 12 years old. That's a lot of years of playing Masterpiece. Also, all this stuff over here is only because I did laundry and it was hanging up in the wind to dry. What's wrong with you, dude? Honestly, you're ruining everything. That upsets me when you fart so aggressively.
Why?
Because it's rude. And like nobody finds that funny.
But we're in the woods.
Only 12-year-old boys think that's funny.
We're in the woods.
Not even
Like the
JT
whole
laughs.
time. Wow.
Since I was 6 years old, I've been coming to my aunt and uncle's little slice of paradise for about 2 weeks of every summer. And my family still comes, but I wasn't able to this year because we went out west. So my sister and her partner and Eamon and I decided to come and reunite Bruce here in the greatest place on earth. I don't know how to describe it other than it makes me so happy. Anytime I'm having a bad day, I literally transport myself here. So I'd love to show you guys around and just say a really big thanks to my aunt and uncle for allowing us to spend so much quality time here with family and friends. I just love it here. So this is the property right on some water. I'm not kidding, it's seriously my favorite place on earth. And what I hope that Eamon and I can achieve one day.
Wah, wah.
I feel like one of our most frequently asked questions is about life after van life and what we're gonna do. Are we gonna settle? Are we gonna build a tiny home? And
are we gonna have grandchildren in the van?
And I mean, I think our answer is always, we're gonna keep doing van life until we don't feel excited about it every day anymore. But also, of course, we think about life after van life, and I think the cottage, for me, represents a lot of the things that I want to...
Bruce is chopping so close to the... Is this on autofocus?
A piece of land, living really
By the water.
simply.
I mean, I think this is a lot of people's dreams, by the water, for me.
It would be huge.
Yeah.
I feel like it's true what people say about you come alive and you feel better by the water because psychologically it's a source of living.
Yeah, and I think there's an energy to it too.
And being active outside, like the food just tastes better when you're outside all day.
I love building things, working on a project. You know, a sustainable home with you know, sustainable energy, solar powers, maybe a well for drinking, like really natural, unplugged. That's my vision, my goal. And it's so funny how that wouldn't have been my goal 5 years ago, but now it's so clearly my goal.
Just sounds incredible. And
there's obviously sacrifices like to living. You're not going to get a property like this right in the city, so you'll have to, it'll be a sacrifice and a decision on where we end up. We want to be close to family, we still want to be connected, we don't want to be totally off grid.
I know. Where do you guys see us? Like sometimes I think we do thrive in cities. Like I never really thought I was a city person.
No.
But then I come out here and I'm like, this is where I belong. But do you think after like a month of living out here, I would be like craving going to the new local vegan restaurant? Do you know what I mean? I don't know.
Yeah.
It'd be interesting.
Time will tell. I know for sure we'll be bringing you guys along. So stay subscribed.
Yeah.
All right, what's for lunch?
Lunch already?
This is brunch, breakfast tacos.
Oh my gosh, those look amazing.
Don't they look good?
Did you melt some cheese on it?
Yes. Bon appetit.
Me?
Yeah, give it a go.
Oh my gosh. Could life get any better? Tacos and the block?
So good. Did you tell them that we used to watch the show in Australia when we lived there?
No. Are you loving the block, bro?
No.
You hate it? It's so good, mate.
I'm not gonna hang on to him until I get out there and you can't see it.
That's gotta be so cold.
Really cool.
I brought you guys 2 towels each.
Oh,
Two towels each, just in case they're that cold.
Brucey, hey buddy, we're okay.
Okay, Bruce.
We're okay, we're okay.
Oh, oh, he wants to make sure you're both okay.
We're okay, buddy. Okay, it's a little cold, but it's no big deal because here at the cottage, they've got an outdoor hot shower. So that's where I'm headed now. Oh, yes. Full heat. Can we show the vlog some tricks?
Some tricks?
Yeah, show them your tricks.
Paw, other paw, down, up, sit pretty, down, come here.
The performance today is brought to you by Burlington Bruce, the circus dog. Ready? And jump!
Yeah!
And jump! And jump!
Melly and JT are planning on going home, and Bruce smells so bad.
Lie down.
Like to the point where when you're in a room, you're like, oh,
He's
Bruce
been living in a van too long?
Oh, sweet boy. We would never do that to you, would we? Come here. He likes the van parents better. Why don't we try him in the actual shower?
Oh, he's gonna hate this.
Hot already or no?
No, you have to turn it all the way. It's just like my dog growing up. Even looking at it. Oh, Bruce, now you're all wet.
How'd that work for you, JT?
Not well.
Bye, friends.
Bye, Carwala.
Bye, Carwala.
Be sure to like and subscribe. Freedom!
I'm sad.
Bye, Bruce.
Bye, Bruce. We've gone from having Bruce with us at all times to going to the van life meetup in Quebec and having hundreds of van lifers with us, to the cottage with my sister and still Bruce, and then everyone left, and it's kind of just been really quiet and back to just Eamon and I. And to celebrate, I made the most simple dinner of all time. Just a quinoa salad with some Gardein chicken tenders. And we're just sitting down to edit and do some work and
Every
just
time
have
we call these chicken tenders, people are like, oh my god, you guys eat chicken? The baked chicken.
We don't eat chicken, everybody. We hope you guys enjoyed coming along to our happy place with us and just chatting about future life plans, because we still think about that kind of stuff even though we're happy in the van.
And you guys ask us a lot.
Yeah,
so
you do. It's fun to share with you.
This is like the goal.
Yeah.
Alright. Peace out, homies. We'll see you next week.
Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. Okay, bye.